Welcome to today's class. Today I'm coming with something that looks like Bible. So I have something here to do with. We'll be solving question from, if you know this book, looking at it, something will come to your mind, especially if you go through a good school. There's a book called Ugochi Ugo. Ugochi Ugo have been consistent with producing different questions on National Common Entrance. They equally have copies of different other books that deals with other things. But basically, Ugochi Ugo is known for their compilation of questions, their compendium of National Common Entrance questions. So today I'll be solving questions on National Common Entrance, and I've been doing that before now. So, but today let's go into, we have a new book. I just purchased the 26th edition. So I said, let me go through the test one of the 26th edition. So here we're having first 5 questions from the book, and we'll be solving it. Follow us as we solve this question. And it is very simple. I want you to, if you have any child in primary school, primary 6 precisely, that will be taking National Common Entrance, please do well to, send this video to him, send this video to the parents, engage him with this video engage him or her with this video so that the person will equally sit up. We'll be having questions that are hard. This one is the first 5. That's why it is very simple. And in as much as it is simple, we can't jump to the middle of the question without getting to do the simple ones or to do the first ones. That's the first 5. So we have express this, which is very simple. Express 50807 in word. Express this in word. And what do you do here? First thing, if they give you a number to express in word, demarcate the numbers in 3, starting from the right. This is your right. So 1, 2, 3, you put your comma. 1, 2. So here, you've demarcated it in 3s. The last digit is the units, and this is tens, this is 100. You know this is your what? 1,000, and this is your what? Tens of 1,000. So this is 50,807, nothing under tens. So this is option what? Let's check the option. Option E. This is option E. So let's go to number 2. Number 2 question said, subtract 19.999 from 33.333. So what we are going to do is 33. It is now, see what problem here. You are subtracting this from this. So you are removing this one from this. You have to write this one first. We have 33.333 minus 19.999. One good thing is that they even have the same number of places or this decimal places. Here we'll have 3 decimal places. Here we'll have 3 decimal places. So the point will definitely be the same place. But in a case where you have, maybe you have 33.343 or even the same, and minus or subtract this from the subtract 2.42 from 8. One thing you should be sure or make sure to have is that the point to be in the same place. The point should be here. After the point, how many number comes before the point here? Is 2. How many number come after the point here? 4, 2. That's where you should rate it. Start writing with your point, then fill this empty place with 0. You can decide to fill here with 0. That's if the question is different. But they made it easy here where if you write the question and under it, you have the point already on the same place, position. So now you do your subtraction. 3 minus this cannot go. Borrow 1 from this and make it 13. 13 minus 9, we all know that it is 4. So remaining words here, 2. 2 minus this, it cannot. Borrow 1 and make it what? 12. 12 minus 9 will give us what? 3. Then we'll have what's left here, 2. 2 minus 6, it cannot go. Borrow 1 from this remaining 2, put it here, becomes 12. 12 minus 9 will give us what? 3. Then bring your point down. 2 minus this, it cannot go. Borrow 1 from this and make it 12. 12 minus 9 will still give us what? 3. Then we are left with 2 here. 2 minus 1 will give us what? 1. This is the answer. Let's check for the option. Option D, 13.334, which is correct. Number 3. We said express 10,000. You write 10, they say 1,000, you put your comma. 10,097. 10,097, not under 100. So what we have is 97. Let's go to the option and note which one satisfies our answer. The answer is option E, which is 10,097. Number 4 question, we have, given that P minus 73 is equal to 100, find P. Or they can equally tell you in this question, if you have the textbook, you can see it as what is the value of what? P is something as find P. So when the whole number, we want to make P. No, in secondary school or SS1, you see this as subject formula, making subject formula. So your intention is to make the unknown, the alphabet or the variable is known as the unknown. We call it unknown, which is the variable. And what you do is to make it to stand alone and the number to go and meet the other number. So when this go to the kingdom of, this is black men, they were deported to their countries, so that Africa and these are Americans later remain in their own country. When you take it back to Africa, you'll be having P is equal to 100. When this minus comes here, it becomes plus what? If you couldn't belong here because of racism, when you got here, you belong. So it is minus here. There is discrimination. When you get here, you be at home. You will have full right. So it becomes plus. So here you have P is equal to 100 plus this will give us 173. This is the answer to our question. So Let's look at the options. B, 173, correct. No need of going for other options. So the answer is option what? B. This is the average of 203, 237, 267. Initially, I didn't put this, but that was a mistake. So, and 293. So here we have number 5. Be solving. What is average first? Average and mean is the same thing. I don't know whether you know any of them. So if you don't know any of them, average is the sum of items divided by the number of items. The same thing with mean. Sum of items meaning that you add the items given to you divided by how many they are. So here we have 203 plus, 203 plus 237 plus 267 plus 293. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 items we are adding. So you add it and divide it by 4. How do you add? Let's make it simple. This plus this and this plus this. This plus this will give us 10. You write 0, carry 1. This plus this is 3 plus that one, 4. This plus this is 4. Nothing to carry now. This plus this is, now we're adding this. This plus this is 10. You write 0, carry 1. This plus this is 15 plus the one you carried, it becomes 16. You write 6, carry 1. This plus this is 4 plus that one, 5. So now we can add. This plus this is 0. This plus this is 10. You write 0, carry 1. This plus this is 9 plus 1, 10. So we have 1,000. 1,000 over 4. Just like we say, sum of items, we've just added it. When you add it all of them together, you have 1,000. 1,000 divided by the number of items, which is 4. 4 going to 10 will give us 2 remainder. The nearest number to 10 that 4 can divide is 8. So if 4 divide 8, it will give you 2. What will you add to the 8 to give you 10? It is 2. So add that 2 to the next number. The next number now, you'll be considering it as tens because that remainder goes with the next number attached. You don't do it separately. So 4 going to 20 will give us what? 4 going to 20 will give us 5. 4 going to 0 is 0. So our average is 250. 250 is option what? Option C. So now do well to send us questions from any, if you want me to solve question from 8 prep 50 for secondary school, for junior school or junior class, even primary school, do well to send it down through the comment section, comment it down, recommend this question, recommend this video to any of your classmates, any of your friend, any of the family friend, you know that anybody who you know that is in primary school, this question is for National Common Entrance. Recommend this video, push this video, send this video, share this video to everybody around you so that you can reach people. And this is the way of helping anybody you send it to. Please do well. Shalom. Bye.